don't know what I've done to deserve this, but the two cats were just up against the gate greeting each other, and I was quite surprised. And now Pika is watching Cassie, the street cat, roll around playing, so I think they're greeting each other. I think this is an invitation for them to get along. This really blesses my heart. It's incredible to watch this. Because if you could have seen each one of these cats before, particularly Cassie, she was just really lashing out on both my cat and dog and was in terror. I mean, this cat lived on the street for years. So she was just used to, she was beat up several times by other cats, so I was told. So I guess I don't blame her for being very defensive, but she's been in this house now for 4 months. You can see she's got an array of cat toys back there. She's got a huge cat house in this room in the front there, as well as she roams around the entire other side of the house, which is huge, all day long and pretty much all night long, unless I have to go somewhere, then I put her in the cage. But look at Pika, so interested. This has not been like this before. I've been feeding them treats through the gate and putting toys now on each side of the gate to get them interested in each other. And the last time Pika here, my cat, oh, hi, y'all done, buddy? Yeah, he's my boy. Who's my boy? You're my boy. All right, let's go back over here and see if we can find Cassie. What's she doing? What's Cassie doing? Where is she? Show you the cage over here, too. This enormous cage I have going on over here. Where is she? So, I attempted to put Pika near Cassie's cage before, and he just freaked out. So, he was crying and hissing and moaning. I don't know where Cassie went, but this is Pika's now. Where's Pika? What you doing, Pika? Huh? What you doing? Are you curious to know where Cassie went? Where'd Cassie go, huh, buddy? So this is the living situation. These are the living corners, and he usually just sits up here and watches or whatever. He was staying so far away, in fact, on top of that chair, on top there that you see, on top of the chair, up there. He was staying up there. Didn't want anything to do with her for the longest time. And like I said, he was screaming and yelling and hissing before. And so this is quite the accomplishment, I must say. I don't know where she went, but I'm pretty pleased with this. Let's go see if we could find her again. Hey, Cassie, where'd you go? Are you hiding away? Yeah, she's nowhere to be found. Anyways, this is a really nice living quarters that I bought and got for her, which I think is some pretty nice gigs, if you ask me. Digs, if you ask me. So, yeah, here we go. This is Cassie's little hometown in here. She's got a couple different layers going on. And pretty sweet little digs. This is Cassie's house. That's her little pooper in there. And then she's got the lower unit down here. Where is she? There's the pooper. And a little storage room underneath there. But yeah, so this is a pretty nice little cage. So, alright, well, thanks for watching. I don't know where Cassie went. She took off, apparently. Let's see if Pika's back over here again. You over here, Pika? Oh, you're waiting for Cassie? You are? You waiting for Cassie? Because now you guys are becoming kind of friends? Alright, well, say goodbye to your public. Say, see you next time, everybody. This is Pika. Oh, I heard Cassie just come down the stairs. I heard her. She's around here somewhere. There she is. We found her. There she is, Pika. Hey, Cassie. Hi. I see you coming around the corner. Oh, see? She helps herself right in the cage. She just, see? Now she's coming up through the top. She helps herself through the cage. See, there's the other part of her body down there, which you can't see because it's too dark. Let's see if I can throw the light on. There she is. And then she comes up through the top this way. But yeah, see, here's her awesome cage, and there she is in there. That's little Cassie. Right, Cass? Are those your digs right there? You love them? All right, show people how you come up on top. Come up here. Hey, come up here. Come on, Cass, up here. No, you're not going to do it? That's all right. God bless you, honey. Thanks for showing everybody what you do. All right, let me turn the light off and go back to Peek over here. See if Peek is over here. Are you still watching? You are? You're still watching for Cassie, huh? Okay. Well, tell your viewers thanks so much for watching. And subscribe if you want to see more of me, Pika. I'm the house cat. And Cassie the street cat, who we're trying to train to get along with everybody, who we rescued off the streets. And I guess you're saying you want some treats. Okay, thanks for watching.